Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. In today's video, I will answer a question from a student. They asked why, when using commands in Google software, sometimes you need to right-click and press OK, but other times you just need to select the line or detail and it works immediately. So, I will answer this question and turn it into a video to share with you all. And remember to subscribe to Dinh Duy Cuong's channel to support us, because I've noticed you've watched a lot of my sharing videos already, but you haven't subscribed yet. So please hit that subscribe button now. Let me share this with you right away. You'll go into the edit section, then into customize, then free verge, and then into the general section. If you want to just click on the line and move it immediately, you'll need to enable the click and go option. If you don't want to move the line immediately after clicking and instead want to right click and press OK for the command to be accepted, then you should disable this option. I'll demonstrate this for you now. I'll turn off the click and go option. Now, if I want to move this line or copy a line, I have to click on the line, right click and press OK for the command to be accepted. Click on the line, right click, OK, and then the command is accepted. But if I don't want to right click and press OK, I'll enable the click and go option again. Now, for example, if I want to copy a line, I just need to click on the line and move it, and that's it. If you want to install Gerber 17 service software, you can contact me via Zalo at the phone number shown on the screen, and I'll set up the service for you. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.